Muzammil Rahman, and today we will be covering the basic concepts of accounting. As someone has beautifully quoted that baseless things are bromo to collapse. And all these terms will be related to accounting. And these terms will be around 50 in number. And today in this video we'll be taking 10, and in the next 5 videos we'll be covering all those 50 concepts. The very basic fundamental thing that we as a teacher has observed, that when a student from a non-commerce background enters into this class and all of a sudden he or she feels something unique and different at the same time. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम पहले 10 कॉन्सेप्ट्स लेंगे, and inshallah in the next coming videos we'll be taking all these 40 to 45 concepts. When you talk of a business and when you talk of an accounting, business and accounts goes hand in hand. And all this starts from a concept called a dream. So dream is actually a desire that anybody can have, you and me, a male or a female, a major or a minor. कोई छोटा बच्चा भी हो सकता है, कोई बड़ा भी हो सकता है, कोई मर्द, कोई औरत. Dreams does not have boundaries. Everybody can have a dream. And in accounts, dreams are broadly classified into 2 categories. So the story gets started from a dream. For example, if I do have a dream to start any venture, any business setup, or any institute, I do have a dream and you too can have. So everything starts from a beautiful concept called a dream. So this dream and this desire can be of 2 types. The first one is active dream and the second one is passive dream. So let's talk about the first one, active dream. It is a dream that you have, and by all of your efforts you put it into a reality. For example, I want to start my own business venture. Say for example, I want to start was one, or I want to start a school or a college or university. अच्छा, मैं अपना एक स्कूल ओपन करना चाहता हूँ. I do have this dream and I put everything forward, my patience, my persistence, my money, everything that I could do. हर एक चीज़ जो मुझसे हो सकी, I did that. And I have converted this dream into reality by inaugurating a school. अच्छा, स्कूल तो मैंने ओपन किया. Now this dream, we'll call it an active dream because I have converted my dream into reality. Now on the other side we have a next dream, that is passive dream. What's a passive dream? A dream that remains a dream forever. एक ऐसा ख्वाब, एक ऐसा ख्याल जो आपको आता है and it remains a dream forever. For example, let's assume कि I want to be a wrestler. तो wrestling के लिए आपने करना क्या है कि you need to set up a schedule for yourself. First of all, you need to take some balanced diet. You need to take more eggs, more meat, etc. etc. तो उसके लिए you need to join a gym. तो gym भी आपने join करना है. You need to take everything so that you can build up your body. पर हुआ क्या, I do have this dream, पर मैं यार घर से बाहर निकलता नहीं हूँ. I'm not eating anything. So वही जो common में हम चीज़ें लेते हैं बस I'm just taking them. So from these items I can't build up my muscle. So I am just as I am. तो मैं वैसे का वैसा ही रहा. So this kind of a dream can be called as a passive dream. So first we'll start our journey from a concept called dream, and dreams are of 2 types, and dreams do not have boundaries. Everybody can have this dream, an economic dream, a non-economic dream. तो अब कहाँ पूछे I as a person have a dream and I have converted that dream into reality and this is said to be an active dream. अभी मैंने आपको स्कूल की एग्जांपल दी कि मेरे पास एक ख्याल आया कि मैं अपना स्कूल ओपन करूं बाबा. So I have opened that school. अच्छा, the person, so we'll get our first term here. The person who converts his economic dream into reality is said to be in terms of accounting proprietor. So the first term that you need to pen down is proprietor. So proprietor in common literature we call him owner, जिसे हम उर्दू भाषा में मालिक भी कहते हैं. So proprietor is a person who converts his or her dream into reality. एक ऐसा बंदा, एक ऐसा person जिसके पास एक ख्वाब है, एक ख्याल है, and he or she converts that dream into reality. Yes, I hope you got it. अच्छा, तो मैंने अब अपना स्कूल तो ओपन मैंने किया, लेकिन when you convert that dream into reality, जब आप अपने ख्वाब को अब हकीकत में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं, you need something, either a cash or kind. So we will get our second term from here. So cash or kind introduced by the proprietor into his business for converting his dream into reality is said to be capital. So the second term that comes into the picture is capital. So capital is what? So when you define this capital, it does have a broader meaning. But in simple terms, in layman's language, we say that cash or kind. Cash or kind. Cash means if you put your ready money, your hard cash. Say, when I started this school, I put say rupees 10 lakhs into it as a cash. And out of it, I have purchased so many things. And along with that cash, I have given my own land to this, construction of a building. तो मेरे पास एक ज़मीन पड़ी हुई थी, say it was around 5 to 6 canals. तो मैंने वो ज़मीन स्कूल को दे दी. तो एक तो मैंने I put 10 lakhs as a cash and I have given my precious land. So both these cash as well as kind. So any kind means any material object. For example, you can give to your business laptop, furniture, fittings, land, building, shops, everything what you have in a material structure. So we have got our second term, that is cash or kind introduced by the owner into his business to convert his dream into reality. We call that capital. Yes, you got me. You got me right. तो जब भी कोई मालिक, एक प्रोपराइटर अपना वेंचर, अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए कुछ पैसा या कोई चीज़ अपने वेंचर में, अपने बिजनेस में डाले, ताकि उसका जो ख्वाब, एक सपना था, वो एक रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो चुका. सो दैट कैश और दैट kind, that material object that you put into your business is said to be capital in terms of accounts. But capital in common literature is known as something different. So we got our second term. Now let's talk of the third term. The third term is drawings. What? Drawings. What does that mean? तो cash और kind जब owner अपने business में डाले, when owner puts cash or kind into the business is said to be the capital, and drawings is the opposite of capital. What is that? What does that mean? Means when cash or kind is withdrawn by the owner from his business or from her business for personal or for domestic use. जब कोई मालिक, एक proprietor, for any reason अपने business में से कुछ पैसा निकाले या कोई object निकाले, कोई material item निकाले for his own personal or for his family use, so we call that drawings. Very simple. So this was the third concept the first concept that we have learned is proprietor. The second term that we have learned is capital, and the third term that we have learned is drawings. Suppose मेरा अब स्कूल चल रहा है. After few months, what I did, I have taken a cash of rupees 10,000 or say 1 lakh, and I have used that cash for my own personal expenses. मैंने स्कूल में से 10,000 तो निकाले, लेकिन किसके लिए? अपने लिए और for my family, and these 10,000 will be called as drawings.